Hello everyone, how's it going? So back in the garage, and in this episode we're going to try and start the car. So I don't know how it's going to go and what's going to happen, but we'll see what happens. Done a lot of sanding as well, the body's nearly there. The boot lid's finished and ready for top coat. It's in primer, so is the doors. So a lot has been happening, and I'm sorry I haven't been recording. I just haven't had the time, so I'm back here just going to do a bit just to show you what's been going on and that. So as I said, we're going to try and start it over. I'm not promising anything because I really don't know. And I got a little announcement as well to make. So what we'll do is just hook up the relay for the starter, and I will find you on the driveway where we will try and start it. So yeah, right, before we go and do that, just wanted to say I've set up a Patreon site which allows you to pay and get sneaky previews, updates before anyone else, and you get to see all the progress and what's going on behind the scenes without anyone else seeing it unless you paid as well. So I'll put a link in the description for that. I've only just started up, so we'll see how it goes, and if it doesn't work then it don't work. Next thing is, thank you very much for everyone who's been checking out the GoFundMe page recently. We've had a load of people just go and look at it, and I hope everyone's reading the story and that behind it about the pickup as well. That'd be really good to see some people helping me along my journey. And I will be doing a meetup in the summer, or trying to get people to come here. Yeah, try and do a meetup at my house hopefully. So we'll see how that goes. And everyone can come round. I'm saying might pull my car out or leave it in the garage, do a bit on my car, get everyone round. There's space for about 5 minis on the driveway, so it should be alright. Bring your mini or bring your normal car, just come over. But there'll be more on that soon enough. So yeah, check out the description for all details, from my pages, social media, anything like that. So we'll go out to the driveway and we will try and start it. Right, so I'll just take you through a walkthrough. Parcel shelf is painted, boot floor's painted as well. Got a petrol tank ready, but I think it's painting. Boot lid's there, doors are all painted, the rear end's finished. So not barely any filler in these areas, so it's looking proper nice. All this quarter's done, and got this quarter finished as well. It's just a light which makes it look shocking. Inside's been painted red as well. Got a switch panel back in. And yeah, let me just get told. So yeah, we're all plugged up and ready. So we will go and have a look what happens.
Go.
Are you going? Yeah, so it turns over, but who knows if it starts or not. I'm going to leave it at that for the next episode. So yeah, be sure to check out all the description and everything like that, and we will return soon. It should be in the next week. I've got mock exams which will slow me down and stop me, so if anyone wants to talk to me in the next 3 weeks, if you want an update, then just message me and we'll talk over there. And yeah, so thank you very much for everyone who's been behind the project so far. Just a massive shout out to everyone, so family, friends, Laura as well, and just everyone in general. His name was Tony Watkinson, who's helped me do the wiring, which is perfect. And yeah, if you're asking who's Laura's girlfriend, she has to put up with it, but she seems to be alright with it. She seems to be handling well the obsession, so trying to get her converted, which is fun. So yeah, I'll leave it at that, and I'll see you soon. So yeah, just check out link description for everything, social medias and bits like that. And yeah, I'll see you soon, so please please like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you very shortly. Cheers.